Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector. Honest proof that laser brightness changes rooms. What if your display was quietly holding your audience back without you ever realizing it? Every time a presenter squints at a washed-out screen, every time a lobby display looks pale and unimpressive under bright overhead lights, something important fails. Your content deserves far better than a dull image fighting against the room it is in. Large screen, high brightness, maintenance-free projection is not a luxury reserved for large organizations anymore. It is the professional standard. And today, we are looking at exactly what that standard now genuinely looks like in real practice. Here is the problem most buyers do not fully calculate until it is already too late to avoid. Traditional lamp-based projectors feel like a reasonable and familiar choice right up until the maintenance reality quietly sets in. Lamps burn out unpredictably, often failing right before an important presentation, a critical client meeting, or a high-stakes live event. Replacements cost real money, require unplanned downtime, and create the kind of low-level operational stress that builds invisibly across months and years of use. Meanwhile, flat panel displays offer sharp images, but hit a hard ceiling on practical screen size. Scaling beyond 85 or 95 inches becomes either impossibly expensive or physically impractical to install, relocate, or update. And consumer projectors that promise impressive brightness often deliver disappointing, washed-out color the moment any ambient light enters the room at all. You end up dimming every light just to make the image tolerable, which destroys the professional atmosphere you were working to create. Drop a comment if that situation sounds familiar. Then everything changed when serious AV professionals and business environments discovered the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector. And before you compare it to any other projector currently sitting on your shortlist, here is the single most important thing to understand first. Do not just pick any laser projector. Make sure it has 3-chip 3LCD technology with fully matched color and white brightness output, so you never experience the washed-out, color-inaccurate images that single-chip DLP projectors consistently produce the moment real-world professional content hits the screen again. That distinction matters significantly more than most buyers realize until they see both options placed side by side. The Epson PowerLite L265F delivers 4,600 lumens of both color and white brightness simultaneously and equally. That means your reds stay genuinely red, your blues stay rich and accurate, and your whites stay clean and bright across the complete image at full rated output. An independent expert review actually measured the L265F exceeding its rated 4,600 lumens in controlled testing, and noted that the image processing made content appear sharper than standard Full HD resolution in certain real-world conditions. The laser light source runs for up to 20,000 hours in normal operating mode, which means no lamp replacements ever, no unplanned downtime, and no surprise maintenance invoices appearing in your operational budget. Images scale all the way up to 310 inches diagonally, which is 16 times larger than a 75-inch flat panel display. Built-in wireless casting, a 16-watt integrated speaker, and free downloadable Epson Projector Content Manager software make this a genuinely complete professional display solution in one compact, sleek black unit. The credibility behind this projector runs deep and wide across multiple, completely independent voices, worth taking seriously. An event production professional who field tested the Epson PowerLite L265F for large venue work reported it handles screens up to 14 feet easily from 15 to 20 feet away, describing it as a true pro-level unit that is surprisingly intuitive to program and adjust on location under real event pressure. A church installation team described it as an excellent and transformative upgrade, specifically highlighting the brightness and sharp image clarity as a massive step forward from their previous projector setup. One verified buyer praised the 2.5 million to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, describing the combination of brightness, laser reliability, and the included 3-year warranty as clear justification for the investment decision. A Projector review publication confirmed through measured independent testing that the 3-chip 3LCD color technology delivers a color range 3 times wider than single-chip DLP projectors at equivalent brightness levels. That is a real, documented, and verifiable performance gap worth fully understanding before committing to any purchase. Imagine walking into your next meeting, classroom, lobby, or live event space, knowing with complete confidence that your display is going to look sharp, bright, and genuinely professional, regardless of how much ambient light fills the room around it. Thousands of educators, AV professionals, business teams, and digital signage operators are already running the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector as their primary large-screen solution every single day. And the consistent feedback from real professional environments speaks clearly and without contradiction. 20,000 hours of lamp-free performance, brilliant, accurate color, and full wireless flexibility in one compact unit. I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments section. Just click and see for yourself. You will not look at flat panel displays the same way again after this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.